First up, the big upgrade, Spatial Scenes, basically 3D wallpapers. iOS 26 uses depth sensing to turn your lock screen photos into a layered 3D effect. When you move your phone, the wallpaper actually moves with you. Super futuristic. To try it, make sure your phone's updated to iOS 26, go to Settings, Wallpaper, add New Wallpaper, or from the lock screen, long press, tap the plus, choose Photos. The first option is a single photo, the one next to it is for multi-photo shuffle. After picking your photo, tap the top right corner to continue. On the editing page, tap the hexagon icon to enable spatial scenes, then tap the 3 dots to turn on depth effect. You can pinch to zoom and adjust the angle however you like. Tap done and your custom 3D wallpaper is ready. Next we have adaptive time. In short, iOS now automatically detects the subject in your wallpaper and adjusts the clock size and position so it doesn't block the face or the main subject. Everything looks much cleaner. Still on the wallpaper editing page, tap under the clock, then drag up or down to set the position. Tap the numbers to change font and color. One thing to note, only the first font supports adaptive time, the others don't. Hopefully Apple updates this later. Tap done and your depth aware clock is set. Third, the very hyped liquid glass UI. Icons and widgets can become transparent, refractive, or fully clear with options for light, dark, or totally transparent modes. The whole interface feels lighter, almost like you're operating on a single moving sheet of glass. Fourth, iOS 26 brings a new camera icon and a simplified camera interface. At the bottom, you now only see photo and video. Swipe left or right to switch to other modes. Swipe up, tap the top right icon, or tap the mode name to open the settings menu. When shooting video, tap the top left corner to adjust recording parameters. Now here's how to set up ProRes on the iPhone. Only the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max support ProRes. Go to Settings, Camera Formats, and turn on Apple ProRes. Then open the camera app, switch to video, and tap the resolution or frame rate in the corner to choose ProRes Log, ProRes HDR, and your preferred settings. Then you're good to go. Since ProRes files are huge, especially 4K 120fps or 4K 60fps, this is where the Zyke external storage comes in. Just plug it directly into your iPhone 17 and you'll bleichu. When you're done, unplug it and drop the files into your iMac, MacBook, or iPad for editing. Super convenient. And that's a wrap on the best new features in iOS 26. Want to see more Apple tips? Drop a comment and let me know.